Hey guys, I just wanted to do a video on a trade that I'm taking on the pound US dollar 4-hour chart. I've taken this short on the inside bar. Take note of the fact that this is not an I3B or an I4B. It's just a inside one bar, which is just a normal inside bar. And that is so because this middle bar here has a range which is bigger than the previous bar. So that sort of destroys the setup for an I3B. But you can see that the effect is very similar to an I3B. We have momentum to the downside, although a bit of choppiness, but we're basically downtrending. We break the 1.55, we pull back above the 1.55, test the 1.55 again, give off this double top, and now we're resuming this downtrend here. We've once again broken the 1.55 price pivot zone, and then we get these three bars that are basically just halt bars that are getting held up at this bar low here, and these two bar highs here, this minor flip basically. So nothing fancy about this trade, just a trend continuation signal for me, this inside bar, and just taking it short. 5 pips below the low of this inside bar. Just about 30 minutes into the new bar, this trade was validated, which is another good sign that the trade setup is really valid and is a good one. You can see that my take profit is just above these bar lows here, and obviously the 1.54 big round number. I'm actually not looking for anything humongous on this trade because of the sharpiness on this pair. But again, I think if you have a real strong move down here, I may just move my take profit to above these bar highs here, somewhere here, and this entire consolidation box here. But that will have to be only and only if we have a very strong break of this SNR flip here. So I'll obviously just update this trade as we go along, as I move my stop or take profit, or if either one gets hit. Hey guys, just a quick update on this trade here. I've moved my stop from a full bar one to a excuse me guys, from a full bar one to a break-even one, which means that this is now essentially a free trade for me. You can also see that I've not moved my take profit to the 1.53 as I suggested earlier, even though there is momentum to the downside. The reason is that I'm basically it's pretty comfortable taking full profit here at these bar lows. If again price takes me out of the straight profit here, I would make more money than I initially risked. And although risk reward shouldn't play a big part in your decision making, the common sense just tells me I'm pretty okay with a full profit here at these bar lows. Like I said, this is an important bar low, and I would really hate to see price bounce off this area and even take me out for break even here. Although there's nothing wrong in doing that, if someone just wants to do that, just place your stop break even, place your take profit here, or leave the take profit open and see how this further develops. Nothing wrong with all those trade management strategies. For me, I'm pretty much okay with taking full profit at this level here. Hey guys, final update on this trade here. The trade is obviously at the take profit level here, and I'm out of this trade for about 50 points or 3% with an initial 2% risk on this inside bar trade. Just a quick recap on why I took this trade and what it eventually was able to do. We were basically downtrending here big time. Price was consolidating at the 1.55. It broke down, which appeared to be a false break. Price carried on above the 1.55, pulled back again, found temporary support here. Price dropped below the 1.55, and then we had these three basically nothing bars, I'd say. Just very minor consolidation, then a continuation of this bearish thrust down below the 1.55. I was targeting these bar lows here. Price made it to these bar lows, and I'm out of this trade here.